Antipolo, can they complete the comeback dito? They're down by 4 points. Kiefer gets a touch. That's a turnover and a crucial one.
Nambio timing that pass perfectly.
And they fucking that one up. They still give a chance dito para sa Antipolo, but Bawan
That's Nambio once again.
Valerio na naman off the window for 2.
And that might be...